Hey guys, Garrett here, and today I just picked up the brand new M4 iPad Air to check out today. So let's get started. This is the base model 128GB Wi-Fi only model in purple. There are two pull tabs here, one at the top, one at the bottom. There it is, the M4 iPad Air in purple. Put that aside. In the box, you get the paperwork, a 20-watt power brick, and a braided USB-C cable. And there it is. I really love that purple color. There is the keyboard connector. There we go. The iPad Air is now fully set up. The M4 chip has an 8-core CPU and a 9-core GPU with 11.6 gigabytes of RAM. Excellent for everyday tasks, especially gaming. When playing normal heavy to medium games, it'll run very smoothly without any problems. When it comes to heavier gaming that requires more GPU and CPU power, it will stutter a little bit at the beginning, but it will become smoother as I play the game. When running the Geekbench, the M4 iPad Air scored 10,839 on the single core and 42,438 on the multi-core score. So that is the M4 iPad Air unboxing today. That was pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.